guys, I'm Sukanya. I'm going to be talking to you about the admission into Delhi University through ECA. So now, as we know, boards are over, results are out, and lakhs of you would be slaying it with your 95s and your 98s. But then there are lots of you like me who could probably not make the cut. Well, I got a 91 in class 12, best of four, and I think that's a goodish score, but probably not good enough. So, if you're seeking admission in Delhi University but not have the kind of marks required to get in on merit and through the general category, which is basically horror, then you're in the right place. So, as we know, Delhi University has tons and tons and tons of quotas and reservations like SC, ST, OBC, PWD, PWD 1, 2, 3. I don't even know how many quotas are there, but there are lots and lots of them. And many a times, people like me who are in the general category and like you would be facing a disadvantage, and it just gets a lot harder because there are limited seats. So, then what do? You turn to ECA quota or the sports quota. But I'm not going to talk to you about sports because I'm pretty unathletic. But I can talk to you about ECA. So let's keep this short and simple. What exactly is ECA? ECA means extracurricular activities, and as the name suggests, if you represented your school at any level in the field of dance, theatre, music, debating, creative writing, photography, fine arts, all that, then you've done a good deed for yourself. Give yourself a pat on the back because now you've opened a doorway for yourself to get into Delhi University. So mostly all colleges in Delhi University exercise this option of ECA, but colleges like SRCC, Hindu, Stephens, and I think a few more have been cancelled out from this year onwards. So these guys do not exercise this option, and it's pretty sad because like even I couldn't try. I mean, that was really heartbreaking. I couldn't even try. But that's fine because there are about 50 colleges in Delhi University, and I'm sure you'll find your place somewhere. So I'm going to cut right to the main part, and I'm going to talk to you about the few steps which are required to get into Delhi University, because this is something that many people asked me over the last 1 year because everybody was like, hey, you got a 91 and how are you in Delhi University? So, well, I'm going to answer you guys, and let's start it. Step number one. So, first of all, you go and register yourself on the Delhi University website. By doing this, if you have 95 plus marks, then you have a really good chance to get into one of the good colleges in Delhi University, or for that matter, any Delhi University college. So, firstly, register yourself. Number two, accumulate each and every certificate that you have from your domain and make a folder out of it because you're going to need this. You guys have no idea how blessed and how lucky you guys are, because this year onwards you can apply through ECA quota online, and till last year there wasn't this option. So I literally had to go to each and every college, and I had to give my certificates, and I had to go and fill the forms physically, and it was so hard I died. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna get down to work. So now I'm gonna brief you with the new rules. Number one, you guys are so blessed. I'm saying this for like the fifth time, but you guys are so blessed. This time, you guys can apply for more than one activity. Till last year, this wasn't a deal. Till last year, you could only apply for one activity under ECA, and for that matter, even under sports, you could only apply for one. Or maybe I'm not sure, but this year onwards, I'm absolutely sure you can apply for as many as you like. Number two, Delhi University has instructed all its colleges to notify the students on the website how many seats will be there. Usually, it's 5% of the total number of seats available. So, there are only like 5% seats in each course. Like, at least in my college, every class has only 3 students with who have taken admission through ECA. So once you guys are done registering online and you guys have filled your form and put up your certificate, your documents, you filled up the fee online and everything. Now good, you're done. Now just wait. Wait for the college to upload its list. Every college takes out its own respective list of the students that have been shortlisted for the trial. Now there are 2 trials. There is a preliminary trial and there's a final trial. Well, not in all colleges because my college didn't have that. My college just had a preliminary, which was also its final. I'm in Jesus and Mary College, by the way. So mostly all colleges have a preliminary round and a final round. So you need to wait, and you need to be patient, and you need to keep a tab on the college's website, and at least the ones you applied to. Once the college is out with its list, and if you get selected, congratulations on that, it's a win. So if you guys get selected, my suggestion to you is that prepare yourself with a piece. Like I am an ECA dramatic student, so I prepared the last scene from Highway where Alia Bhatt breaks down. Yeah, that was pretty dramatic. But yeah, I went, and but in fact it was a little different for me. When I went there, the judge gave us three topics to choose from, and she said pick something and do a piece. And yeah, so I did it, and thankfully the piece that I had prepared, it was really similar to one of the topics the judge had given to us. So luck kind of played in my favor, and I could correlate that a little bit, and it worked for me, and I got the course that I wanted. Well, I got pretty lucky, and I hope luck works in your favor too. So make sure that you prepare a piece. Go prepared, please go over prepared than under prepared. It always works. And yeah. Oh, also one more thing. Make sure you take all your certificates with you. That what if you're there and they ask you for proof of your certificates, then you make sure you should have them with you. So please take your certificates with you. And yeah, I think that's about it. I hope this video works for you. I hope I could reach out to even one of you out there. And best of luck. I really hope this entire thing works for you. You get into Delhi University, you get the course of your choice. If you don't, it's fine. Like, Delhi University is not everything. Honestly, it's just the experience that matters. 1 year into college, I can say it's all about the experience. So cherish wherever you are, wherever you get in, there's a plan for you. That's why you're there, and you're gonna have a great time. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because there's quite a bit of content coming up pretty soon. So I'll see you next time. Bye.
Thank you so much for tolerating her.
Bye, guys.